Hello, guys. This video will show you how to change the quantity of an order in two methods. The first method is to change the number of products in your order. From your WooCommerce dashboard, hover on WooCommerce and click Orders. Click on the order for which you need to change the product quantity. On the Edit Order page, change the status to On Hold or Pending Payment in the status field under General. Click Update in the Order Actions section. Scroll to find the items, and click the Edit Item icon on the item card of the item for which you need to change the quantity. Change the number in the quantity field and click Save. Change the status to the previous one in the status field under General. Click Update in the Order Actions part. The second method is to create a new order. Still on the WooCommerce Orders page, click Add Order. On the Add New Order page, change the status to Processing in the status field under General. Fill in information the same as that of the original order in the billing and shipping parts. Scroll to find the item setting. Click Add Items and click Add Products. In the pop-up, add the same product your original order has and change the quantity according to your customer's need. Click Add. Click Create in the Order Actions section. For the original order, just manually fulfill the original order in your store or on DSers to avoid repeated orders. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!